Hi guys, today we're doing a brand new video, and if you haven't already, hit that notification bell and the subscribe button. Now let's just get reviewing in the SH Figuarts Dragon Ball Z figures. So this is it. He's really good quality. You could sit him. And then you could do this, the Kamehameha, and you could change his head. Now I don't want to do them right now. So, if you've seen my other video, we did an other review of a Naruto figure, but it was not a SH Figuarts, but my cousin has a SH figure, and that was the last one. And wait, do I have a green tongue? Oh shoot, I'm Broly. No. Okay, and that was the last one. It was the rare one. 1% chance to find it. But at least I got this one. SH Figuarts. I can move his little toesies. Look at that. See that? And check out my brand new videos at Nuvi and Renzi YouTube channel. Alright, we're gonna get into this. You can see that it's really good quality. You can move his belt. This is the back. You could take off his legs, and you could take off his head, his arms, almost everything you could take off. Well, that's it. Bye.